Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today I'm going to be unboxing my eBay BlackBerry KEYone. I decided to purchase one of these phones on eBay to try it out. Just kind of interested in the whole Android smartphone with a keyboard. Just something I wanted to try out, so I did purchase one used on eBay. So this is going to be that unboxing. Keep in mind this is the phone only. No accessories, no box, no charger, nothing like that. The phone itself. This is a Sprint phone. As I do have Sprint. So I don't know what condition this phone is in, but it does look like it has the sticker on the back. So it does look to be in pretty good condition. I don't see any scratches on the screen, just some dust from it being in the box. It's kind of cold. And there's some goo right here. It looks like probably from something that was stuck to the back of it, like another sticker, or something, you know, in shipping. I don't know if the back is supposed to pop off like that, but the back just popped off on the side. When I peeled the sticker off, it does look like it was supposed to come off though. It went back on. So there we go. That is the BlackBerry KEYone. I am going to be doing some videos with this in the future, some reviews and stuff like that when I get some time to use it. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe for that. This has been Colin with Techout. This is the BlackBerry KEYone, and as always, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And have a great day.